Hello there, YouTube. We're about to watch the one guy, one screwdriver. Which it doesn't even look like a screwdriver. It looks like it's glass.
It's upside down.
That shit. Oh, one guy, one screwdriver. Okay, here it goes. Look at his skin. Oh my god, look at his ass.
Oh my god.
No, you cannot see this.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, it's a blackout. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm gonna throw up. Oh my god, he's fucking crazy. This dude is fucking crazy. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. He's playing with it. Oh my god.
Throw up. This is a fucking psycho. He's a psycho. He's fucking crazy. He's fucking crazy. This guy got mental problems, so you need to go to ECMC, some kind of hospital.
Yo, oh my god,
fucking
fucking blood everywhere.
Oh, it looks like he killed somebody. That is disgusting. I didn't even think that my reaction would be that bad.
Do not watch the video.
Nasty.
It is so nasty.
Ugh.
Oh my god.
I'm tainted.
Oh my god.